everyone. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 without repetition and with repetition? And then we're going to do the same thing, except I replace the 3 with a 0 because that makes a difference if we have a 0 with our numbers. So for the first one, let's write out our digits: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I think what confuses some students is we want 5-digit numbers. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This part here is no different than saying A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So if I said how many 5-letter combinations without repetition can you form, you would choose from here. There's 7 of these letters. So we have 7. Let's say we chose A. Then we would have 6 left. And we're using the fundamental counting principle. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. And you multiply this out. And that gives you 2520. This is the same thing you would do with the letters. If you chose 3 first, then you just have 6 letters next. Say you chose 7 and stuff like that. So don't let this, that these are digits and this is digits, confuse you. You could also put this in the calculator as, these are permutations, 7, and we're choosing 5 digits. Because we need 5-digit numbers. All right, now let's do with repetition. So again, if it's with repetition, it's just going to be 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. I put this in the calculator as 7 to the 5th, and that gives you 16,807. All right. The difference between this problem and this one, and let me write out my digits: 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So again, that's like saying A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So if I want 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have to use these digits, I cannot have 0 as the first placement. So for the first placement, I only have 6 choices. That's like saying how many letters can you rearrange? 5 letters can be formed, but you can't have A first. Okay, you can't have A first because if you have 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, say that's your number, that's only a 4-digit number because the 0 comes first. So you can't have 0 come first. Okay, so we're doing without repetition. Now that we can't use 0, so we can't repeat, I'm going to cross out one of these. So let's say it's 7. Now we have, for the other ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 for the next one. And without repetition, you just go down. All right, and when you multiply that through, you're going to get 2,160. All right, with repetition, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can have repetition. So we can't use 0. Say that it said you can't use A, so we can't use 0. So you can't use 0 for the first one, so we still have 6. But after that, we can use any of these. 0 can be a second digit, or A could be a letter. So that would still have 7. So that's 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. And then the way I would use this in the calculator, I would go 7 to the 4th times 6 to make it easier, and that would give you 14,000 406. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.